Are you looking for the best smart toilets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best smart toilets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. VOVO STYLEMENT TCB 090S. The VOVO Smart Toilet features a sleek white design made from durable stainless steel, measuring 28.3 inches deep, 16.1 inches wide, and 21 inches high, and weighing 110 pounds. It offers an automatic dual flush system with a smart seat sensor that selects between a small flush, 1.12 GPF, or a full flush, enabling hands-free operation. This premium bidet toilet includes a heated seat, warm water wash, and a warm air dryer, all enhanced by a self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle and an automatic deodorization system. Control is easy with a wireless remote that manages posterior, feminine, and turbo wash functions along with the deodorizer. The tankless flushing system uses a tornado wash powered by direct water supply, effectively cleaning the bowl without relying on stale water. Designed with eco-friendliness in mind, this CUPC and EPLO certified toilet helps reduce both toilet paper and water consumption. Number 2. EPLO Smart Toilet. The EPLO Smart Toilet combines minimalist design with advanced comfort features, measuring 27.2 inches deep, 16.14 inches wide, and 19 inches high, and weighing 83 pounds. This floor-mounted one-piece unit offers a heated seat, nightlight, auto deodorization, instant warm water, warm air dryer, and an LED display, all controllable via remote. Its self-cleaning bidet 1 provides adjustable spray shape, position, water pressure, temperature, pulsate, and oscillate functions, supporting both front and rear warm water wash modes for thorough cleansing. The toilet supports hands-free operation with off-seat auto flush, button flush, foot sensor flush, and remote flush options. It features a powerful flushing system that combines siphonic and jet flushing for efficient cleaning. Designed for eco-friendliness, it offers full or half flush options, 1.6 GPF, 1.1 GPF, to save water and reduce costs. Certified by IAPMO EGS, CUPC, and CEC, the product undergoes rigorous testing for quality and stability. Customer support is available via Amazon with a 24-hour response guarantee. Number 3. WOODBRIDGE B0960S Flush Toilet. The WOODBRIDGE Smart Toilet, with dimensions of 28.75 inch dx 15.38, wx 22.6 h and weighing 115 pounds, is a floor-mounted, ADA-compliant unit featuring a comfortable 17 1/8 seat height to reduce strain when sitting or standing. It offers a fully hygienic experience with posterior, feminine, and pulsating washes, adjustable water pressure, and filtered water for cleanliness. The toilet includes an automatic flush activated by the seat's self-cleaning bidet 1 for hands-free operation. Smart features also include an auto-open and close lid that responds as you approach. Air purification is handled by a deodorizer with an ionized carbon filter to eliminate odors. The flush system is quiet yet powerful, using a siphonic single flush with an efficient 1.28 gallons per flush, GPF. For added comfort, the content heated seat and warm air dryer provide cozy warmth, especially in colder seasons. The product is certified to UL 1431, CSAC 22, IPC, UPC, NPC, and IAPMO EGS standards, with a professional support team ready to assist with any inquiries. Number 4. HOROW Luxury Smart Toilet. The HOROW White Skirted Toilet is a floor-mounted smart toilet measuring 26.97 inch dx 15.75, wx 18.5 h, made from durable ceramic. It features a powerful flush system with a built-in tank and water pump that delivers an efficient and strong flush at only 1.03 gallons per flush, ensuring cleanliness with minimal water use. This modern toilet offers hands-free convenience with an automatic lid that opens and closes as you approach or leave, while also providing a foot kick button and remote control for flexible lid and seat operation. The built-in ceramic heater quickly warms water to your preferred temperature, offering a soothing bidet experience enhanced by UV light to maintain nozzle hygiene. Using advanced Air Wonder Wave technology, the bidet provides customizable settings for water pressure, temperature, and cleaning position, with multiple cleansing modes including rear wash, front wash, lady care wash, and strong wash, all at a comfortable, consistent temperature. The elongated heated seat adds comfort by transmitting warmth, while a warm air dryer helps eliminate dampness for a more pleasant experience. HOROW backs this product with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month replacement warranty, along with responsive customer support. Number 5. COSVALVE Smart Toilet. The COSVALVE 2100 white floor-mounted smart toilet measures 25.86 inch dx 15.55 wx 19.29 h and is crafted from durable ceramic. It features an automatic flush system that activates quietly and efficiently upon your departure, with a tankless design delivering a flush rate of 1.28 gallons per flush. This bidet combo toilet offers versatile washing options including rear wash, front wash, constant temperature wash, lady care wash, and strong wash, all adjustable via remote control for water pressure, temperature, dryer temperature, and heated seat settings. The built-in LED nightlight adds convenience and ambience. Equipped with a powerful deodorizer and air purification system, it keeps your bathroom fresh by eliminating odors. Safety is prioritized with anti-countercurrent check valves, water purification filters, an anti-seize glazed toilet bowl, and 6 levels of safety protection, including full-range splash-proof design. Dual-valve water control reduces flushing noise for a quiet, comfortable bathroom experience, while their compact, tankless design saves space and automatically adjusts water pressure for optimal flushing performance.